Hello everyone, this is Ami Diamond from SharePoint Wizard YouTube channel. Let me show you a new feature that just rolled out in Microsoft Teams, and the idea is that you can communicate with external users that are waiting in the lobby before you admit them, and let's see how it works. So I, as Ami, will organize a meeting. I'm in Teams. I went to the calendar and I organized a meeting which is called Demo Ami. I will add some attendees. This user is not from this tenant, so it will be a guest. And let's add also Alex from my tenant, and let's just send it out. So once it's the meeting is set, I will now join the meeting, and I will just wait until this user will join. As you can see, this is the chat, and everything is looks normal. Now I will log in as the guest, and I see the calendar is set and the meeting is set, and me as a guest, I will join. I'm currently joining through the web, but it's the same experience. And as I see, I can just click on join, and it says, "Hi, Ami, someone will let you in shortly." Now let's go back to the person that invited the meeting. So as you can see, the guest joined, and I can admit or deny him. But notice in the chat now, in addition to everyone, we have the lobby waiting. And here is actually a place where I can message all of the people in the lobby, and they can view, but they cannot reply. So I could say, "Welcome all," and I will send it. And now let's see what's the experience for the guest. So you see a lobby menu or pane has been opened up. You can also see it here, or you can see the lobby chat. And here actually I can see all of the messages. So only the organizer and people in the lobby can view these messages. So let's write something in addition. And this time I will write, "We will start very soon." And again, you see this message will appear also for the guest. This is not it. So let's go here. And you see that before what would happen, and you could only admit or deny, but there was no communication that you could set. So once we're ready, the organizer can come here and we can admit. And now the guest will be part of the meeting. You can see that now he joined, and the rest is as you know. So hopefully you like this, and hopefully this helped you. See you in the next episode, and goodbye.